Welcome everyone, this is my first unboxing video. In this package I received 5 silver bars, 1 ounce each from APMEX. A link will be in the description. This is again my first time doing a video like this, so bear with me and I'll walk you through buying your first set of silver bars. Alright. Using latex gloves to protect the bars from the oils from my hands, causing any type of oil buildup on the actual silver bars. Also, it was very discreet, the distribution and where it's coming from and what content's actually in the packaging, so I like that. It's becoming very difficult here, especially with gloves on like this. Alright, so basically my order ID, I ordered 5 each, an SKU number, and the description, 1 ounce silver bar, APMEX, APMEX, on May 8th. And that's their location of their headquarters. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the actual silver bars. It basically came with the packaging with the bubble wraps, basically to protect it. It comes in these vacuum sealed wrapping. Basically keeps elements out, which is great. I do plan on actually keeping them in here and moving them into my safe, keeping it folded just like this. Alright. American Precious Metal Exchange, www.apmex.com. One troy ounce, 0.99 fine silver, and a beautiful emblem. While this unpackaging did not require my latex gloves, if I were to open this up, definitely would like to use either a cotton glove or a latex glove, the non-powder coating ones, to be able to touch your silver freely without causing any type of oil buildup that can lead to future corrosions or even maybe displacement of your silver. Alright, please rate, thumbs up, I really appreciate your support. This is my first unboxing video and hope you enjoy it. And if you have any questions, just leave it in the comments below. I'll try my best to reply to you as promptly as possible. And hopefully you found your source as far as buying your first silver bars. And this is also my first time buying silver and my first time making this video. And I will continue to do other unboxing videos of silvers that I acquire throughout time. Alright, thank you, appreciate it.